Are you splashing? Did you get yourself? Oh my goodness. That's good splashing. Yeah. Clothespin? Oh, did you get yourself in the eye? Here, you want to show how you get your face wet? Face wet. Get your face wet. No, you're gonna get your clothespin wet instead? Oh! Oh, you're getting your butt wet. Oh. There you go. Good job. Do it again. Get your face wet. Oh, drips on your head. Oh boy. Well, first time that has ever happened. And you had to do it while Mommy was videotaping. Bless you. I love you.